All right. Hello and welcome to today's AI SEO tip. My name is Raulf. I'm an AI SEO and generative engine optimization expert. In today's AI SEO tip, I want to talk about a really cool tool that is part of Workspace. If you have Google Workspace as part of running your business, which we do at Chris Raulf AI SEO and also over at Boulder SEO Marketing, I want to show you a really cool tool feature that I highly recommend you start using. So let me share my screen here. For today's tip, I have to use Google Meet since Riverside, the tool that I usually use, is having connection issues. So let's head over to my Gmail. If you are using Google Workspace, you're going to see this icon here. It has appeared, I think, about 3, maybe 4 months ago. Google did a very soft rollout of this new feature tool that is now part of Google Workspace. If you click on this icon here, it'll take you over to this Workspace Studio. So basically, what is it? You can create processes that make your life easier in terms of you can create a process that will send you a daily summary of unread emails, etc., etc. So they have a lot of templates here that are very easy to implement. Basically, let's use a template here. Get a daily summary of unread emails. If you want to create a custom process, simply describe it as you would tell somebody. It's like, hey, this is what I need in terms of, managing my inbox. It's a very intuitive user interface, in my opinion. For now, this is to the, let's get a daily summary of unread emails. If you click on that, you can see here the workflow. If you want to add certain steps, just click on add step and then describe step here. I want to decide, summarize, etc., etc. And then basically finish that process, click on turn on or do a test run. Again, it's very intuitive, so I'm not going to spend too much time here. But if you want to learn more, Google actually released this video today, a short explainer video. It's about 2.5 minutes on how to get started with Google Workspace Studio. So I highly recommend watch this video in addition to what I'm showing you here. The link is right below this. If you have a inbox that's overflowing like mine, this tool will actually help you manage your inbox, save a little bit of time every day. Highly recommended if you are on Google Workspace. That being said, if you want to learn more on how to use AI for your business and as it pertains to engine optimization and generative engine optimization, I would like to extend an invitation to join us for our upcoming AI SEO and generative engine optimization online summit. We're hosting this online summit on a regular basis every, I would say, 3 to 4 months, where I have a chance to moderate this online summit. In tomorrow's online summit, I have the pleasure of speaking with Dennis Yu. He is an industry veteran like me. I think we got into search engine optimization around the same time, but gosh, 30 years ago. So Dennis and I will talk about, how has SEO evolved over the last basically 30 years? Dennis and I, we often speak at the same conferences, and he is well worth watching. So I highly recommend sign up for the complimentary online summit. The link is right below. So we have the first session where Dennis and I talk about how SEO has evolved and how AI is changing everything. And then the second session, it's a panel discussion with Josh Steinle. We go way back. He's one of the top digital PR people in our industry. He'll be joined by Brett Formelo. He is the founder of featured.com. So we're going to talk about digital PR, entity optimization, how to build your EEAT score. So you definitely don't want to miss this panel discussion. And Daniel Burns, he's the COO at Boulder SEO Marketing. He'll be talking about how we are using AI in terms of getting our customers and ourselves top rankings in not only in Google, but also in large language models such as Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, etc. He's going to walk through our micro SEO platform and methodology. Really cool stuff. We're about to launch version 3 of that platform. And then Harold de Guzman, our head of AI over at BSM Boulder SEO Marketing, he'll be showing very tactical things that you can implement right away. Well, I hope you're going to be able to join us for tomorrow's AI SEO and GEO Online Summit. And I hope you're going to be able to check out Google Workspace Studio. It can save you a few minutes, if not potentially hours a day. Always stay safe and healthy. Chris Raulf here, AI SEO and GEO expert. I will catch you next time. Thank you.